Guys, Mikhail Bennett here, and I'm in the back office of the Credit Karma of one of my clients, and I want to share with you guys some of the results that they've been having working with us, and kind of just show you the journey and what you can expect when you get in credit repair or you're doing credit repair, right? What you can expect, right? So really quick, we can't go further back than January, so I can show you how we got this to go up 144 points, right? But nonetheless, let's just start from January 25th. They were at a 628, right? And the first update was February 2nd. As you can see, their score jumped up 40 points. So let's see how, right? Collection account removed, collection account removed, collection account removed, collection account removed. And I wish that we could actually click to see, how much these collections were worth, because I know for sure this one right here was about 4,000, and a couple others of these were like $2,000. So, I mean, just think about the amount of debt that this person saved by just getting these accounts removed versus paying for them, right? So that's on February 2nd. So let's close that down. February 9th, we went down 27 points, right? So why did this person go down 27 points? And I want to be fully transparent with you, right? That's why I'm going through this with you. So what happened was this person actually missed a payment. They actually thought that they had made a payment on their card and they missed it. And they got this alert, right? And we looked at the account and I realized that they missed the payment that they thought that they had made. So I told them exactly what to do. They just called up the credit card company and they got the late payment removed, right? Right away, because they meant to make the payment. They went ahead and made the payment and they just fixed it. So that was February 9th, okay? Let's scroll up. February 13th, nothing. February 20th, student loans went down. So now February 27th, right? So that is roughly around 18 days. Their score went back up over 34 points. So remember, they had went down 27 when they missed the payment. They fixed it. It made up for it, and it went up even more to a 675. How, right? Because they got a charge off removed, right? Charge offs, if you don't know, are worse than collections, okay? So they got a charge off removed and they got the late payment situated, right? Because you can't have late payments on your report if you want to get approved for new things. March 2nd, they went up 1 point. Let's see here. March 2nd, 1 point. March 11th, they went up 29 points to a 705, okay? So how did they do that? Paid down some more debt. Inquiry was removed. Another charge off was removed. Charge offs are so nasty. And they're hard to remove too, but I know how to remove them. Capital One. So this inquiry was removed, and like I say, inquiries can be anywhere between 5 to 10 points, depending on how recent the inquiry is. So yeah, they went up 29 points in March 11th. That's one of my homies' birthday, March 11th. March 19th, we got they went up 5 points, right? So within basically a week, they went up another 5 points, right? And how did they do this? Well, we got some student loans removed, okay? We got 2 different student loans removed from this person's account. Okay, so now they're at a 710. Remember, they started in the low sixes. They're at a 710 right now, right? No changes, no changes. We went up 1 point. So they went up 1 point. Student loans, nothing really. Went down 5 points. They went down 5 points because they opened up a new account, right? And that's totally okay, because once they have some on-time payments being showed on this new account, their score is going to go up way higher, right? So you definitely want to add some primary accounts like self-lender. So they went down, but April, they went back up just the other day, April 25th. Today's the 26th. So right now they're sitting nice at a 711. They can go out and they can get approved for basically anything they want as long as they have a clean profile, right? And they're adding those primary accounts. So I wanted to show you guys this just in case any of you guys have inquiries and you want to know exactly what to expect. when I work on people's credit scores go up, right? So that's the end of it. If you need anything done on your credit, make sure that you click the link in my Instagram bio or you shoot me a DM personally, and we gonna get you right.